You read that right. Triumph. The brand known for cafe racers, scramblers, and legendary road bikes has officially stepped into the motocross arena. Meet the 2025 Triumph TF250X, a purpose-built, track-ready, quarter-liter four-stroke that's already shaking the foundations of motocross racing. And in this video, we're going deep into everything it offers: engine specs, suspension, chassis, electronics, and the one shocking detail that most riders didn't see coming. Stay tuned, because what Triumph just pulled off isn't just bold, it's brilliant. Now let's be clear, this isn't a rebranded dirt bike. This isn't Triumph slapping its badge on someone else's frame. This is a clean-sheet, factory-built motocrosser, developed in-house with input from top-level racers like Ricky Carmichael and Ivan Cervantes. That alone should tell you Triumph didn't come to play, they came to win. At the core of the TF250X is a 250cc DOHC four-stroke single, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, and designed with one goal in mind: racing. Triumph hasn't officially released horsepower numbers, but early dyno results from factory riders suggest it's sitting right in the top tier of 250 class power, going head-to-head with the YZ250F and KTM 250 SXF. It revs high, hits fast, and pulls strong through the mid-range, exactly what competitive riders need coming out of corners and clearing triples. But it's not just the engine that makes this bike a threat. The TF250X features a bespoke aluminum chassis, developed from scratch by Triumph engineers to be ultra-light, ultra-stiff, and incredibly responsive. The geometry is aggressive, the center of gravity is low, and the handling feels razor-sharp. It's a chassis that wants to be pushed hard and rewards riders who know how to do it. Suspension. Top shelf. The TF comes stock with KYB 48mm AOS forks up front and a KYB rear shock, both fully adjustable. Riders report excellent small bump compliance with enough holdup for hard hits and deep landings. Whether you're scrubbing doubles or digging through ruts, this setup delivers race-level performance right out of the crate. And here's where things take a twist: the electronics package. Yep, the TF250RX comes with selectable engine maps and launch control. That's right, this isn't just a raw mechanical machine. Triumph has leaned into modern performance tech with switchable ride modes controlled via a bar-mounted selector. For those who've always argued that motocross should stay pure, Triumph's made it clear. Smart tech is here to stay, and it works. Weight is a key factor, and the Triumph comes in at a competitive 229 pounds, wet, lighter than the CRF 250R, and matching the KTM SXF. With its narrow ergonomics, low-profile seat, and grippy plastics, the TF250X gives riders an instant sense of control and connection, whether you're railing corners or sending big tabletops. Visually, the TF250X stands out. Sleek bodywork, minimalist graphics, and that unmistakable Triumph X logo set it apart in a sea of red, blue, and orange. The exhaust routing is tight and central, with an angular muffler that keeps the weight close and the sound crisp. The frame finish, seat texture, and race spec controls all scream one thing: this bike is ready to race. Triumph has also confirmed that this is just the beginning. A 450cc version is on the way, already in prototype testing, with plans to compete in both MXGP and Supercross. So no, the TF250X isn't a one-off experiment. It's the first domino in what could become a major new player in the world of motocross. So who is the 2025 Triumph TF250X really for? It's not just for loyal Triumph fans. This bike is built for serious racers, local competitors, and even aspiring amateurs who want a platform that's sharp, modern, and ready to fight for podiums. It's a legit challenger to the Japanese and Austrian giants, and it's already proving itself on tracks across Europe and the US. To say this is a bold move by Triumph would be an understatement. They've taken on one of the most competitive segments in powersports, and instead of playing catch-up, they've shown up with a machine that's fresh, fast, and fully capable of shaking up the pecking order. In a sport that hasn't seen a new brand enter the scene in decades, The 2025 Triumph TF250X isn't just a new bike, it's a new chapter. Lightweight, powerful, intelligent, and dripping with racing pedigree, it's exactly what the motocross world didn't know it needed. This has been your full review of the 2025 Triumph TF250X, brought to you by Acer Rider. If you're hyped about Triumph entering the dirt world, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dive bike content, and tell us in the comments, would you take the TF250X over a YZ or KTM? Until next time, twist the throttle, stay sharp, and ride like you mean it.